Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to create an account on Cobo Crypto Wallet. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your Cobo Wallet application from your app drawer and you will come across this main interface. Tap on the Me button located at the bottom right and from the options, tap on Login at the top. If you already have an account, you can access to it by entering your email and password. But if you are new to Cobo Wallet and you'd like to create a new account, tap on the Register button at the bottom of the screen. Now, enter an email address in the text box appearing on the next page. Make sure to provide a valid email address. Now, if you are a Singapore citizen or permanent resident, check on this first circle. Select one of the circles that indicates you as a Singapore citizen or a US citizen or neither of the above. After making a selection, tap Next and you will now need to verify your email address. Enter the verification code sent to you via your inbox. Simply open up your inbox and open up the Cobo Wallet email that you received. Now copy the code in it and enter it inside the verification code text field. Finally, tap Next and then set up a login password for your wallet. While creating your password, make sure these criteria are included in it. On the next field, repeat your password one more time and tap on Next. If you've got an invitation code with you, go ahead and enter it in the text box. If you don't have it, you can skip this step by tapping Next. And just like that, you have successfully registered for a new account on Cobo Crypto Wallet. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.